Hello, my name is Michael, and I own the franchise area for the London North East area. I started the franchise about 5 years ago, and at the time I found it quite straightforward. As soon as you signed your agreement, you can begin training pretty much straight away. That is what I did. I found the training to be fully comprehensive. The best part about the training was actually you were able to practice on the kind of items that you were actually expected to go out and repair. So that way you are ready for the jobs as soon as you finish training. Also, within a training, you will go through all the various products and equipment you will be using your day to day. So, you will leave there with a vast amount of knowledge to begin to be able to do work and earn money straight away. So as soon as the training finished, I was able to go out there and within in fact, when I was doing my training, I had already work booked up. So as soon as I finished my training, I was able to start and begin working. The best thing about the franchise really is that you're not left stranded. So you're able to actually go out there, do your job, knowing that if you get stuck on a job or having particular issues, you can call on the head office or other franchise owners around you for assistance on jobs, whether it just be tips on on techniques to employ during a job, or just general advice on how to price a job. In terms of the jobs, they get fed through from the head office. So a lot of the customers go through directly to the head office, but you also receive your own local page, so customers can contact you directly. So yeah, 5 years on, here I am, still at it.